Here are 3 powerful techniques that can help you take control before it's too late. First is a malicious software removal tool. Type MRT into your search bar and hit enter. There are 3 types of scan options here: quick, full, and customized. Just perform the quick scan first time to see how it runs, checking files on your PC and looking for potential threats. Let the process run through to completion. If you have a virus, it will be listed, but if no malicious software or viruses are on your laptop or desktop, your system is clean. Secondly is Resource Monitor. Type resmon in the search bar. Start by checking your CPU, disk, and network activity for anything suspicious. If you do happen to spot a process that is eating up resources, or maybe a name in the network activity section that is sending or receiving a lot of data, check this out. Google those process names. It could reveal hidden spyware or backdoors. Lastly, type netplwiz, and this will open up the user accounts panel. What we are doing here is looking for any unfamiliar users. Hackers often create hidden admin accounts to silently control your machine. If you see something sketchy, delete it immediately. Just a quick one today. So watch our next video or more on our security playlist.